in this video we are going to study about the expansions formulae. So here one formula I have written x plus a and x plus b. So in this video we'll see the expansion of x plus a into x plus b. These are the binomials and the product of these two binomials. So what is the expansion of this product of these two binomials that we are going to study in this video. The examples based on this expansion formula, those also we are going to study in this video. So let's start with the expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Students, observe over here. So x plus a and x plus b, these two are the binomials, and here we are going to multiply these two binomials. You can find out here these binomials, they have the one common term. So here what is common term is given in both the binomials. So x is common, that means one term is common and other terms are different. So if it comes in this way, the two product of the two binomials with one common term, so we can use this expansion formula. But what is the formula that we will see? First we'll see the explanation of this x plus a into x plus b. So x plus a into x plus b. First whole bracket x plus a, this bracket will multiply by this x. So x plus a, I will multiply by this x first term. So multiply by x. Again I am going to multiply the same bracket with the second term. So here x plus a, first bracket, first binomial, I will multiply by b. Multiply now each term which is inside in the bracket by this x. So we will get, if I multiply these two, so I will get x square. If I multiply these two, a and x, so their multiplication would be ax. Similarly, in this case, if I multiply these two, I will get positive bx. Now I will multiply this, so I will get ab. These are the like terms. Middle two are the like terms. They have the same variables. So here x square will be as it is. If they are like terms, so I'll take the x outside. If I take the x outside, what will left in the bracket? A will left, and in this b will left, and x I will take it outside. So plus ab. So here we get the expansion of this, that is x plus a and x plus b. What is the meaning of this? Product of two binomials with one common term is equal to x square common term square into sum of the two terms a plus b, different terms, see, sum of the different terms into x, and again plus product of the two different terms. Now we will see the examples which are the based on this expansion formula. So let's study the examples. Compare this equation with this binomial, then we'll see here two binomials and find out the product of this, but they have the one common term. So it is, if we compare this, so we can use this expansion formula, product of this binomials. So here solution, in these, if we observe what is the common term, x would be the common terms, and what are the two different terms? 5 and 3 are the different terms, that means a's and b's value. This is nothing but a's value, this is nothing but b's value. So solution, x plus 5 into x plus 3. By using formula, expansion formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Write the given example below of it, x plus 5 and x plus 3. It will be easy to understand the terms. So we will compare this. Here x common term is x in both the binomials. Then a's value is 5, b's value is 3. So wherever the a's value and b's value, we are going to replace with the 5 and 3. So x square common term is same. So here x square would be the x square plus a plus b. A is nothing but 5. I have to replace with 5 and b I will replace with 3. So a plus b means 5 plus 3 into x common term plus again a and b I will replace with 5 and 3. So I will get 5 into 3. So what is the answer? X square plus 5 plus 3, 8x plus 5 multiplied by 3, it is 15. So expansion of this x plus 5 into x plus 3 without multiplication by using the expansion formula, I have got the product of these two binomials. The condition, if you want to use this for expansion formula, the condition in this both should be the binomials and among them one term should be common. Second example, in this example, they have given the two binomials, one term is common, so we can use this expansion formula. So m by using expansion formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Here x plus a, it is nothing but m plus 8 and here m minus 5. Compare, x is nothing but m. That means wherever x is written, I have to replace x by m. A's value is 8. So A's value should be replaced with 8. But here B's value, if you observe, the B's value is minus 5. So here you have to take care. You have to replace B by minus 5. So x I will replace with m square plus a plus b. A is 8 but b is minus 5 and this plus minus it would be minus 5 into x should be replaced with m plus 8 into b is minus 5. Here we will get the answer m square. If you subtract it, we will get the answer 3m and their product is minus 40. Therefore, m plus 8 into m minus 5 is equal to m square plus 3m minus 40. Third example, 4x plus 2y binomial, 4x minus 6y binomial. Therefore, one term is common. So, in these, if one term is common, two binomials product of this. So, same expansion formula I am going to use. But here, to save the time, I have written already by using expansion formula. I have written this. Below of it, I will write the example. 4x plus 2y. And here, 4x minus 6y. Now, if you observe my x, which is common term, here it is replaced. It is not x now. It is 4x. Instead of x, I have to write now 4x because my common term is 4x. So, wherever x you can find, you have to replace that with the 4x. Now, a's value is 2y. B's value would be minus 6y. So, replace it. X I have to replace with 4x common term. So, 4x bracket square plus a and b's addition. A is 2y, b is minus 6y. X, again x value we have to replace with 4x. I have written this term here. A plus b, 2y minus 6y into 4x. Now product of these two terms, a and b. So 2y and 6y, their product. So 2y and 6y is negative 6y. Square of this. When you want to do the square of any variable with the coefficient. You have to make the square of coefficient also and the variable also. So here 4 square would be 16 and x square would be x square. Plus, subtraction of this, it will come minus 4y, and here I have to multiply this again by 4x. Their product, minus 6 multiplied by 2, answer will come minus 12. 6 2 is 12, sign would be negative. Y multiplied by 1, y square. Still my example's solution is not over. So here 16x square. I have to multiply again here. So 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Minus 16 and here xy. Minus 12y square. So this is the expansion of 4x plus 2y into 4x minus 6y. Fourth example, solution by using formula, expansion formula. X plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Here if you observe, these are the binomials with the common term, but the common term place is replaced. Instead of first term, it is given at the second term position. Now here what is common term? 2x. 2x. And what is a? A would be a 3 and b would be 6. So I'll write here 3 plus 2x and 6 plus 2x. For my convenience, I'm going to replace their positions. While replacing the positions, you have to take care of the sign. Now what is common? Common term is at the beginning. So I'll replace it. I'll write 2x plus 3. This I will write 2x plus 6. Now it becomes as per my formula. So here I'll write, here x we should replace with 2x. So here 2x bracket square plus a plus b. A is 3, b is 6. So here 3 plus 6 into 2x plus 3 into 6. 2x square, that means 4x square plus, here it is 9 into 2x plus 18. So here we will get the answer 4x square plus 9 2s are 18x plus 18. So this is the product of these two binomial with the help of a expansion formula. Fifth example, 3a minus 2b, 3a minus 2b, again 4a minus 2b. Again just check the examples. Here the x common term, x, that means it is nothing but minus 2b. Again the places are different. Here also minus 2b. I will replace it and I'll write it properly. Minus 2b plus 3a. Here minus 2b. This negative sign is of that common term, minus. So minus 2b plus 4a. Here x value is minus 2b, a's value is 3a and b's value would be 4a. So I'll replace it. X I have to replace with minus 2b. So minus 2b bracket square plus a's value is 3a plus b's value is 4a. X value is minus 2b into a into b. A's value is 3a into 4a. Here we'll make the square. Negative number square is always positive. So here I'll write 4b square plus addition of these two would be 7a into minus 2b plus product 3 4s are 12 A multiplied by A square. So here I'll get 4B square. Product of this, it would be negative 7 2s are 14 AB plus 12A square. Here this example, x minus 5, x minus 2. In this case, both the a's and b's values are negative. So compare, common term is x, a is minus 5, b is minus 2. X square, common term square plus a and b's value. A's value is minus 5, b's value is minus 2 into x plus a's value again minus 5 into minus 2. So here if you will multiply x square minus their addition, it would be 7x plus again product of this, it would be positive, so 10. So product of these two binomials, it would be x square minus 7x plus 10. Seventh example, in this example, here m plus 1 upon 3 into m minus 2 upon 3 is equal to, here common term is m and a's value 1 upon 3, b's value would be minus 2 upon 3. So I'll replace x with the m plus a's value is 1 upon 3, b's value is 2 upon 3 into x. X is m plus product of these two, a and b. So 1 upon 3 into minus 2 upon 3. So here I'll get m square plus minus, their denominators are same. So here just you can subtract or add numerators. But if the denominators are not same, if they are not like fractions, so those you have to convert first like fractions and then you will add it or subtract it. So here you will get a minus 1 upon 3m. Product of this, here we have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. You will get the answer minus 2, 2 1s are 2 and here 3 3s are 9. So I'll get the answer m square minus m upon 3 minus 2 upon 9. So this is the product of these two terms. Eighth example, in this example 1 upon a plus 4 into 1 upon a minus 2. I'll write here 1 upon a plus 4 into 1 upon a minus 2. So here x common term is 1 upon a, 1 upon a. So I'll write here 1 upon a bracket square plus, here a's value is nothing but 4, b's value would be minus 2. So 4 minus 2 into a's value, x common term. So it is 1 upon a plus a into b. A's value is 4 here and b's value is minus 2. I'm going to make the square. So 1 upon a square. Next plus subtraction of these two, it would be 2 1 upon a. Product of these two would be minus 8, 4 2s are 8. So here we will get the answer 1 upon a square plus 2 upon a minus 8. In this way, I have covered the different types of examples. These examples, these are the product of the binomials by using the expansion formula. I hope you have understood the all examples and the use of the expansion formula to find out the product of the binomials. If you like the video, please share your comments in the comment box and please subscribe the channel to get the notification of my next videos. Thank you.